Hey everybody, it's your girl Wonder Slays, and today I'm going to show you my 5-minute dewy skin routine. So first, I just start off by washing my hands. I cannot stress to you guys enough. Please, please, please wash your hands before you wash your face, because it's just pointless if you don't. Now I'm just going to use my African black soap. I just picked up from the hair store, and I'm going to create a lather, and then I'll rub it on my face, as you'll see. And then I'm just going to take my facial cleanser, which I got from Walmart. But guys, you can find these at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to clean my face. Now once I'm done cleaning, in the next clip you'll see I'm all clean. And now I'm just going to dry my face off. I leave my face like 10% wet because of the new product that I'm trying. I'm just trying to see how it works. And the next product is just the e.l.f. Facie Water. I'm still trying it out right now, so I will keep you guys posted on how this one turns out. Then I'm about to apply some Hydrophilic Acid. I think I pronounced that right, which I just picked up from Dollar Tree because I wanted to try it and see how it will help my skin. And the last product I'm going to use is just this body butter from Char's Creation, which I am a brand ambassador of, so her information will be down below in the description box. But this butter is all natural, and it's like a heavy cream, but it does leave you very moisturized throughout the day, so you don't have to really reapply. And I love how it has no chemicals. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed my soft and dewy morning routine. So I'll see you in the next one.